CBD credit card activation and PIN generate. Easy way how to activate CBD credit card by SMS. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's just jump into the video. So to activate your credit card, choose one of the following options like CBD online banking login, to CBD online banking and follow the instructions to activate your card. And not registered with CBD online banking yet, you need to register first before you can activate your online card. So to create your new credit card PIN, choose one of the following options. Log into your CBD online bank and follow the instructions to create your new PIN. Send the message CPIN space last 4 digit of card number space 4 digit clear PIN 24266 e.g. Like CPIN 1234 from your registered mobile phone number with CBD. Please note that this will be effective on the next business day. You can also call their customer service center on this number and follow the instructions on IVR. The telephone pin is required and you can then visit any CBD ATM machine and select pin services. So that's it for this video guys. That's how you can do credit card activation and pin generate on CBD. So see you on the next video.